Great! Now you're trauma informed. All you have to do now is learn how to implement somatic strategies into your existing professional practice. You've probably got stuck clients who just get stuck in anxiety, depression, overwhelm, negativity. They get stuck in their heads, and no matter what you've tried with them, they just can't get out of it. I know what that's like. That was me. I had depression from the age of 14 for the next 22 years, and I just thought it was going to be a lifelong sentence. I just couldn't see a way out. But luckily, I found a somatic approach to mental health, and I learned a somatic skill set. My life completely transformed. My mental health improved. I learned how to feel safe in my body, in my skin, and I knew exactly what to do to take care of my thoughts and feelings so I wasn't overwhelmed, I wasn't consumed by life. You see, it doesn't matter how much mindset work we do, whether it's gratitude lists, talking to someone, basic mindfulness, positive reframes. If we're not addressing the trauma that's stored in our bodies, then we can fail to achieve our mental health and wellbeing goals. If you want to learn how to implement somatic practices into your existing professional practice, then this workshop is for you. You'll learn the basic neuroscience about trauma and how it affects the body and the brain. You'll get to experience the benefits of somatic practices. You'll be shown how to develop your own somatic practice at home. And you'll be shown how to implement these somatic practices into your existing professional practice. Come away from this workshop and feel confident in your skills to work with trauma so your clients can get unstuck, so they achieve their wellbeing goals and they feel better about themselves and their lives. So click on the link below, book into the workshop, and I can't wait to see you there.